Oof, the last time I called my mom.
Let's see,
Oh gosh.
okay, let's see if she answers. Okay, the last time I called my mom was yesterday. If I don't go a day without calling her, she will harass me. She will call the police. She'll call all my friends.
Like 2 seconds ago, my mom and I are always on the phone.
I usually call her every day around like 6-ish.
My mom and I text every day, like morning, afternoon, night.
Me and my mom are really close.
2 days ago.
I call my mom like probably once a week just to catch up, see how everything's going.
I called my mom this Sunday. It's our weekly call. It used to be an every Sunday sort of dude.
I have not called my mother for a couple of months now. We have a very challenging relationship.
The last time I called my mother was 5 years ago. I'd say she's not here with us anymore, that's why.
Oh, the last time I called my mother was shortly before she passed away. But I was definitely a kid that called her all the time. We were super close.
That would have been this morning. My mom's a nurse. I just called her to make sure she was okay. Sometimes I don't get a chance to talk to her very much, but with everything going on, I just really felt the need. I had to call her.
My family lives across the country in New York, so I don't get to talk to them as often as I used to growing up.
Being so far away from them, I feel like it has made our relationship even stronger than ever. I literally talk to them 3, maybe even 4 times a week.
So my mom wants to know everything.
It's usually updates. So my mom will tell me about the grandkids and she'll tell me what she had for dinner.
She's very active in my life, so she wants to know what I'm doing so she can relay messages to all of her people at home.
Would you call her right now and say hi for us?
She's gonna pick up and be like, what's wrong? What happened?
Does anyone know what time it is in Japan?
She's getting her tooth pulled today. See if she answers.
Madre? Wasabi.
Oh, sweetie.
Hey, Mom.
You're being recorded. They wanted me to call you. Oh, that's so sweet. Well, hi, everybody.
You guys having a good day?
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Wonderful day.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you, too.
Not even a ring, she's like, goodbye.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
You are fantastic.
All right. Thank you, Mama.
Goodbye.
After she passed away, I was like a crazy person running up to mothers and daughters in the mall going, oh, you're so lucky you have your mother, so be nice to her.
She's the best person in the world.
I love that part of my life. It's a regular source of happiness for me. All right, I'll call you later, Mommy.
All right, sweetie.
All right.
Love you.
Bye. Love you. That's Mom.